Identify the place values up to 9999 in the easiest format. So I arranged the ones, tens, hundred, thousands only. If we are moving like this, they can identify this is the zero. Next to ones. So if they are moving like this, they can identify what about this value means tens place one, here one means 11. If you are moving this one, so they can identify this is the 100 place 211. So they will identify the numbers based on the strips by moving this object. So if you are moving this one, this is the thousands. So I moved till thousands is 7. So 7211. So they will identify like that. So this is the Pythagoras triplet. So already we know that I applied only for the only one number, but there are many numbers are there. So we have the Pythagorean triplets are there. In that one, the 5 square, 12 square is equals to 13 square. So in that one, I arranged the one object. This is the length. I took the exactly 12. This is the 5. So hypotenuse will become the 13 exactly. So same object I kept here. So this is the triangle. So the area in here is, this is the 13. The area in here is 5. The area in here is 12. This is the 12 length is 12, breadth is 12, nothing but square. So this area is equals to sum of these two areas. To do that one, I divided the small particle into this particle, I divided into 5 because the centimeter length is 5. I divided into 5 pieces. So y means I need to superpose one on the other. The area of this one equal to this both, sum of this both. So I am keeping this one in here. This strip, same strip I am taking. So I divided the same strip. This is the 5 centimeter length, 5 centimeter breadth square. So that's why I divided 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one I divided like these two parts. Originally 5 parts are there. Why I divided means, so we need to keep one on another. So here 1, 2. So if we are keeping like this, if it is attached means we cannot insert here. That's why I divided. So you can keep anyone is any side. If this is this side or this side, that is our choice. So I am keeping this one in here. This is in here. Means the area of the hypotenuse equal to sum of the areas of these remaining two sides. So that is the Pythagorean triplet, or we can call it as the Pythagorean theorem. So here similarly this is the multiples. I wrote for the only multiples for the 3 table only. So we can apply the separate tables also together also. Together means we can apply like this. Together means for example 3 table. So 3 table means 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 like this. Or we can apply on the bottle also, one method is there. So I do separately also because all the students don't know the exactly 3 tables. Some are in the 3 tables, some are in the 4, some are in 5. So that's why I make the different strips for the different tables. So I am showing here only the 3 table. So 3 ones are 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. So 3 fours are 6, 12, 3 fives are 15 like that. So we can make the different things means we can give to the students easily. So if the students don't know the 3 table means they are sitting one place, they will read by using this one they can by heart or they can read easily. Vinod Kumar from MPUPS Kotapalli. So here I am showing the magic box. Vinod Kumar, Vinod Kumar. So this is the magic box. So here I am showing the even numbers, odd numbers I shown here. Even, odd numbers and the prime numbers, ascending, descending orders, multiples of 3 and 4, LCMs and the diagonals on the only one magic box. So on this one, if you are keeping the strip one on another exactly, so these are the even numbers up to 100. I did for the up to 100 only. So here if you are keeping like that, we'll get the even numbers only. So if you are keeping this one will get this is the odd number strip. So if I am keeping here, I will get the exactly odd numbers on here on this box. So these are the odd numbers. Similarly, some students don't know the prime numbers. So we can cut the prime numbers. If you are keeping the prime number strips on here, so they can identify the prime numbers easily. So not only prime numbers, similarly multiples, tables. So students know up to 10 only. 3 tens are they can. This is the multiples of 3. Student can identify up to 3 tens are 30 only. But here up to 99 are there. 99 numbers means 3 33s are 99. So 3 ones are 3, 2s are 3s are 4s are 5s are 6s 7 8 9 3 tens are 30. So like that similarly 3 33s are there. Similarly I do the only multiples 2. Why I did the multiples 2 means to find the LCM purpose I did the only 2 multiples. So these are the multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. Why I choose an exact 2 means by using these 2 we can show the LCM. So the LCM of 3 and 4. What is the LCM of 3 and 4 means we can keep these are the multiples of 3, these are the multiples of 3, these are the multiples of 4. So we can keep both the strips on one on another. So superpose on here. So exactly we will get the multiples together, multiples of the 3 and 4. So that are 12, 24, 36, 48. These are the 12 table. This is the 12 table. So this is the smallest number is called the LCM of 3 and 4. So not only that one. Multiples of 3 are and 4 together 12. 3 table, 4 table, the multiples together are the 12. So on this one we can show here directly. The multiples of 3 and 4 means these are the smallest one we are calling the LCM. So these are the remaining are called all the numbers from 12 onwards, all are the multiples. So there are infinite multiples I did till there. So not only that one, the next one is the ascending descending orders. So if you are keeping like this, the numbers these are in the ascending order. Arrow mark is there, these are the ascending order. If you are going like this means that are descending, we can move anywhere. So you'll get the same thing. This is ascending, that is descending. So we are moving anywhere. So you'll get the same thing. Till that side is upside is ascending order, downside is or the descending order. So on that one I did one more thing, that is the magic box. This is based on the diagonals. So for example I am keeping here, we can identify easily. So this is the 2 by 2 strip, 11 diagonally, 11 plus 2 is 13, 12 plus 1 also 13 only. If you are keeping anywhere, you will get the same thing, sum of the diagonals, this plus this equal to that plus this. So 34 plus 25 equal to 35 plus 24. So if you are keeping anywhere, you will get the same thing till end of the 100, not only 100. So it is possible for infinite, but I am doing till 100. This is 3 by 3. Oh, sorry, that is 2 by 2. This is the 3 by 3 strip. Here also same thing is possible. You can move the strip anywhere. If you are moving anywhere, the sum of the diagonal, this sum of the 58 plus 67 plus 76 equal to 78 plus 67 plus 56. So sum is always equal if you are moving anywhere. So this is possible for infinite numbers. So next one, 4 by 4 strip. Same thing. 4 by 4, sum of this diagonal equal to sum of this diagonal. 5 by 5, 6 by 6, we can apply till infinite numbers. So that is possible everywhere. So after completion of this one, so the
smart gadget, right?
Magic box.
This is the division. 1 minute, ma'am. Just now I
Can you show it, sir?
empty box, ma'am. That is empty box. Nothing. Just I pasted on this one. That is a normal box only.
So ఈ బేస్ బాక్స్ ని ఎంత వాల్యూబుల్ చేశారు సార్ మీరు? రియల్లీ గ్రేట్.
Numbers 1 to 10 particular
If we are writing the numbers like row wise, we cannot show the ascending descending order. Because of that purpose I wrote like this. If we are writing the numbers row wise, we cannot show the ascending descending.
Okay.
Ascending descending is descending will become ascending, ascending will become descending. It will become reverse. That's why I wrote like this format. So for example, so student want the any one of the question. If you want, for example, 72 divided by, we can take the 72 divided by, we can take the any one of the number, you can tell anyone. 4 means divisible, I am taking the another number. If it divisible also no problem, you can take anything, there is no problem. 5 or 4 or whatever it may be. So 72 means first we need to count the 72 strips. So I arranged the 5 to one side. 5 plus 5, 10. These are 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Like that I arranged. I will take the small number because it will take lot of time. So for example, 42 by, which one you want, sir? By 4. Okay. So 42 by 4. What is the 42 by 4 means? I am taking 42. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. Somewhere some extra strip is there. So I need to do the 42 by 4. So I'll arrange the 4 strips separately. So these are 5, 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Somewhere one is less. 30, 35, 40, 41, 42. Okay. So I am taking the 42. So 4, 4. We need to divide with 4. So 4 in here. Box number 1, 4. Next to box number 2, 4. So box number 3, 4. Box number 4, 4. So these are already 4 are there. So I am arranging in the box number 5. So these are box number 6. So I am arranging one by one. Yes sir. Box number 7. Yes sir. Box number 8. Box number 1 is less sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Box number 9. So box number 10. I arrange it 10. 2 are left over. So these 2 are left over is called the remainder. Remaining are 2. That's why I am keeping here. So here the dividend nothing but how much value we are taking. We took the 42. That is the dividend. Divisor nothing but. So while we are doing with that 4, that's why 4 is called the divisor. So what about the quotient means I wrote the same color on this one. The left over, how many boxes are filled? That is the quotient. Here 10 boxes are filled, that's why quotient 10. Whatever, how many strips are left over? 2 are left over, this is called the remainder. So we can identify like that. Division. Okay ma'am, thank you. So here this is the TLM for identification of the place values up to 9,999. So 4 digits 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, tens, hundred, thousands. So if the student can able to identify up to 9 easily. So later on, what about the next means? So that starts from the 10. So if you are giving any number, they can identify easily by moving this one. For example, if you are moving like this anywhere, I am moving something. So I moved this one. What is this number means they cannot identify properly. If you are keeping like this, so they can identify by reading this one. This is the 1000 place. So this is 3363 means they cannot identify. But if you are asking what is the place value of that one means they can say by saying here thousands. This one is hundreds. This one is tens. This one is ones. In that case, 3363. 6 tens plus 3, 63. They can identify easily by moving this object. So